Ooh, blockchain consultant, I see. So what's very interesting that over the last couple of months, I know Bitcoin was a big topic. When we were having seminars offline pre-corona, a lot of people were asking about Bitcoin, basically how much can you invest in this, and they were calculating when they will get billionaires if Bitcoins continue to rise. I never really fully understood the Bitcoin and the blockchain, which as far as I'm aware is like the real value behind this as an investment. I always was very skeptical when they told me that all these transactions that happen within the blockchain are confirmed by all the other parties. Again, I'm not a technical expert, but this is what people told me. And consequently, when all transactions have to be confirmed by a lot of people, this blockchain thing will get very slow. And this means that the need for electricity will become higher and higher in mining and trading Bitcoins. So this is the technical answer to this. The financial answer is, let's just say Bitcoins are just a regular coin. You could also, from a strictly financial perspective, you could also use gold coins. So when you buy a coin, whatever coin it is, you buy it for whatever price we have today, not knowing what the price in the future will be. You're only hoping that it will rise, of course. That's why you're buying it, right? But we know that over the time period you're holding this coin, it won't produce anything for you. If you buy real estate and rent it out, it will give you rental income. If you buy the right stocks, shares, ETFs or mutual funds, where there's companies that pay dividends, you will get something in return while you hold this investment. For the coins, Bitcoin, gold coin, oil, whatever people are buying, wine, art, old timers, whatever you name it, this won't produce anything for you. So you're only buying it in the hope that the value will rise. This is your only possibility of making money. If this doesn't work out, you're in trouble. This is part one, and part two is, if you want to sell it, you can only sell it to somebody who has the same speculation as you do, because he knows as well that these coins won't produce anything for them. So from a financial perspective, it can make sense to buy these non-producing assets, but at least I would mix it with some reproducing assets. So you have at least two chances of making a profit. One, if the value rises of your investment, and two, by reproduction, by rental income, by dividends, by interest rate if you buy bonds, whatever.